For only 150 pesos, meron ka na magandang rechargeable Bluetooth mouse. Ito na nga ang Lite X1 Bluetooth mouse ng Kakul. Sa box nito ay may Type-C charger at manual at ang Lite X1 Bluetooth mouse. Aside sa Bluetooth connection, meron din siyang 2.4 GHz connection using ang kanyang USB receiver.
This is so true. And in my experience, the battery life lasts around 3 to 4 days, sometimes even longer. And not only that, it has a silent button that makes it completely non distracting while I'm working. Plus, there are three LED lights that show the battery life status. As you can see, it has three lights right now. Matte yung feature ng color niya and super smooth niyang gamitin. Very useful talaga to for both gaming and office setups. Sa ganda ng quality niya, you wouldn't imagine na wala pa siyang 200 pesos. So click the yellow basket and buy yours now. Okay? Bye!